Hello, my name is Helen Robertson and I'm a men's groomer. I'm going to use this Panasonic trimmer and demonstrate how I'm going to be able to cut hair as if it was a pair of scissors with this trimmer. And how does that feel, Dominic? Does
feels good.
Feels comfortable?
Yeah, it's smooth.
It's very easy to go around. Now, I'm just going to go around here, around the ears, very easy. And then I'm going to switch now to 15. Easy to manoeuvre with the dial back and forth to adjust the blades going up and down to cut at different lengths. I can go in and trim very quickly. I can use my fingers to dial it up and down very easily. So it's perfect. Up and out. And continue with this in a C-like motion. I pull out just at the end. So that just fades gradually the hair at the back, and it's very simple to do. Oh, it's so easy and smooth, not too heavy, but like heavy enough to get a good balance. This design is special because it has the blades designed in such a way that they will cut the hair at different angles. You have the ability to move around very easily on the face for the beards, on the hairline, on the hair itself, because it's cordless. It really catches the hair. That's what's so wonderful. It's so accurate and sharp. The sharpness is excellent. It's just cutting through like butter. It's very sharp and very nice outline, but gentle on the skin. But we're just making it a little smarter by keeping it all the same length. You can go into all the small areas and just use the very edge to clean up and to put some shape into the goatee area. I'm very, very happy with using this. It works extremely well. I've tried a few and I'm very happy with the way this works. I'm very happy. Thank you.
It's looking good?
Yes, you look
Beautiful.
fabulous.
Thank you.